I'm in northwest suburban Deer Park, just across the street from the shops, restaurants, and theaters at the Deer Park Town Center. I'm in the clubhouse at the new Deer Park Crossing, which has a party room lounge adjacent to an outdoor pool and a grilling area, a comfortably furnished media room with a large screen TV, and a fitness center with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. I've just walked into a Clover layout, one bedroom. To my left is a utility area with a full-size, side-by-side front-loading washer-dryer. Just beyond that is a nice little niche for displaying a piece of sculpture or just dropping your keys. Turning to the right is this really terrific kitchen. There's both track and pendant lighting. Breakfast bar island has a deep, wide farm-style sink. There's a spray attachment in the gooseneck faucet. Stainless steel appliance package has a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door, dishwasher, 5-burner gas range, and a built-in microwave. There are white quartz counters, and cabinets are 42 inches high on the upper level for additional storage. And there's also a pantry cabinet. A flank flooring that extends throughout the living area, high ceilings, spacious living dining area, sliding glass door that leads out to a wide balcony. Great place to relax in the summertime. A lot of space in this room, a lot of flexibility in how you lay it out. Going back toward the bedroom and bath. Bath is oversized. It's a wide vanity with 2 banks of drawers. White quartz counter with an undermount sink. It's a deep soaking tub. And there's a separate linen closet in the bath. There's a coat closet as you head toward the bedroom. Bedroom is carpeted and has a walk-in closet. Deer Park Crossing has an attractive location, extensive amenities that include a clubhouse with an outdoor pool, fitness center, party room, and more. Upscale finishes in the apartments, everything brand new. Put Deer Park Crossing on your must-see list. Head to the Deer Park Crossing website for near real-time rent and availability info.